Fear Files Real Nightmares, True Horror, Unexplained Terror. This is Fear Files. If you're brave enough to listen, hit subscribe. Join me as I dive into the chaos of what happens when solar storms hit Earth. Can I survive a day without power and connectivity? Solar storms, also known as space storms, are intense releases of energy from the sun, capable of affecting our technology-driven world in profound ways. These storms can disrupt Earth's magnetic field, leading to spectacular aurora displays, but also posing significant risks to our modern infrastructure. The specific challenges posed by solar storms are vast. For instance, they can cause geomagnetically induced currents, or GICs, which can damage power grids and lead to widespread power outages. Communication systems, including satellite and radio communications, can also be disrupted. This can have a ripple effect on our daily lives, impacting everything from financial transactions to emergency services. Understanding these disruptions helps us prepare for the worst. Scientists and engineers are working hard to develop strategies to mitigate the effects of solar storms on our technology. By studying the sun's activity and improving our forecasting capabilities, we can better anticipate and prepare for these events. Solar storms can even affect the operation of high-altitude aircraft and spacecraft, making it crucial for the aviation and space industries to monitor space weather closely. The potential for damage to satellite systems and GPS technology means that solar storms can have far-reaching consequences for global navigation and communication. One of the most notable solar storms in recent history is the Carrington event of 1859. This massive geomagnetic storm caused widespread damage to telegraph systems and even started fires in some cases. Although our technology has evolved significantly since then, the risk of a similar event occurring today poses an even greater threat due to our increased reliance on complex systems. The impact of such an event on modern society would be profound. It could lead to massive power outages, disrupt supply chains, and have a devastating effect on the global economy. The scientific community continues to study past events and develop new strategies to protect our infrastructure. In 1989, a solar storm caused a power outage in Quebec, Canada, leaving millions without power for hours. This event highlighted the vulnerability of our power grids to space weather. It was a wake-up call for the scientific community and policymakers to take action to mitigate the risks associated with solar storms. The vulnerability of our infrastructure to solar storms is a pressing concern. Our increasing dependence on technology means that we are more susceptible to the impacts of space weather. This makes it essential for us to continue monitoring the sun's activity and developing strategies to protect our systems. So, what can we take away from all this? The key points are clear. Solar storms pose a real and significant threat to our modern world. Being aware of the risks and taking steps to prepare can make all the difference. If you have any thoughts on solar storms or how we can better prepare for them, I'd love to hear them. Drop a comment below. Thank you for watching Fear Files Real Nightmares. Until next time, keep your lights on and your doors locked.